the lettering over here so it could stand out. I thought this was going to be burned on, but it's not. If I got it here, that it would just be right for a short period of distance. Well, not short, because it's still a while. Then I would be okay because I think that's slower. I'd be okay with having anyway. Coming this way and taking 20 minutes. I would be okay with that. They didn't have it. So I'm gonna call and see if they have it. And if they do, ask if they can deliver tomorrow. And if they can't, that's smart. I'll be waiting for it. Okay, so I got one done. Woohoo! I'm happy with that. Very happy with that. Woohoo! This little point with this paint on clearance, but that only for it's exterior and interior, so it's the exterior, but this is the inside. And this is cedar wood, so I'm told should lie inside. You see? We'll know what you're now. This one's good. So I'll show you a picture of the resident owl that we have. So this here is a horned owl. And this, I believe, is a screech owl, which has scared the bejeebers out of me. So I'm just going to do a little bit of accents here. These letters not only they're just larger. They're not just deeper, but they're lighter, so there's motion there. This is not, that's the rest of the letter. So this side's deep, this side's not. It's not bad. It's actually so that and the see the second as well. We want this one on both sides, so. And one of the drawbacks for me is, although I can top up until, it's successful, so if I don't get in the car, then I can do something outside, it'll be cold. And the drawback for me is that there's going to have a serious surgery around, so it's even quieter. That's my drawback. Okay. They're going to be different areas anyway, so once it goes. Last one. I think this first is going to me. Come on, just one more. brush is done. So glad that we did. I think we're good on. Good on. Okay, there we go. So, this side. Okay, dress. This side. So well done. It has been raining here all weekend. So yesterday I could not get out at all. And today it's been really, really damp. It rained a couple of times. So yeah, I was able to clear out some of the stuff from there. I'm going to do all of that greenery there too. Well, I do have the deck board and the 2x4s to build the woodshed, but yeah, nothing's been happening. So today I did a little bit of stuff here. As you can see, it is just, everything is drenched. I want to see if I can finish the weeding. It's just, it's an ongoing, it's just an ongoing thing. My goodness. So I'm gonna try and get that there. There's hardly any here. It's probably about 4, the deepest end, by 6 or 8, but it's, yeah, it's been a challenge. I finally finished that area. Oh my goodness. So I'll just take you through there. So it's nice now. Well, it's a little breezy, but goodness, so much nicer than the weekend. So I got this all done finally. Wow, what an endeavor, I have to admit. So when I put the little wall in, I may just have to raise it a little bit because there's a bit of a dip here, and when it rains it washes things out. So I'm just going to do it about 2-3 high. It depends, maybe 2, because we're going to put another bit of a layer on here on the limestone. And then eventually, fingers crossed, I'd like to do the recycled asphalt. But oh my goodness, this took forever. And then this last little bit here, I saw a little snake worm. And I know they're harmless and nothing against them. But it just freaked me out a little bit, so it took me longer to get this done because I had to verify everything before I touched. So I saw it twice. It's like 2 inches, but it moves just like a snake, and yeah. So I was hoping to put the thing around here as well as do the beads over there.
I'm not going to be able to because it's about 4 o'clock now, or 5 actually. No, 4. And I want to be on the road by 5:30 the latest. And I still have to clean the cottage. I just want to leave it clean so that when I come on the weekend, I don't like it when I come and it's not clean. But look at all of this mound of debris. This is all weeds. It's about 5 feet this way, 4 feet this way, and about 18 inches at its highest point. And then along there, all the way to there, it's probably about 12 inches in height. And that's about 12 feet, I'm thinking, long. So not as productive of a weekend as I was hoping for, because of the rain. I wasn't able to work outside, but all's good. I was able to do stuff inside, not as much, but I did get the signs finished. Look at those beautiful vases. So I called locally, and where I live, they've got, they have some of the soil. So I'm going to go and pick up, 10 bags at a time. I'm going to bring, I might even get 30, I don't know. I'd like to bring it up a little bit over there and over here, just maybe another 3 bags. And then this area here, fill that in. There's some stuff over there. I don't know if I want to do it this year, or maybe I just want to leave it. But look how nice this hair cap moss is doing. And over there too. So by uncovering it, it just took off. So I'm so happy. And I was looking at some pictures. I don't know how far back it goes. And this area was covered with that. So I think I thought about the grass for whatever reason because of the bare spots over there. I am going to top that. If I don't do it now, I'll do it in the spring. And then or maybe I'll do it now because I want the moss to come back in the spring. It's not that bad. And then when I do the little wall around there, and now I'm all excited about doing it because it looks so nice without all of those weeds. And I trimmed the little bushes as well, and I'd like those to stay there. This one here in particular gets a really pretty elongated white flower in the spring, and it smells so pretty. So if this moss will go on the area on the other side to meet the wall, I would love that. If not, what I may do is just put Stelladoros all the way down, or something else that is not going to require a lot of work. I hope to do a lot more next weekend, but now you can see all the grass coming through, but that will be a lot easier to maintain. Tedious, but not as bad as this stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So I'm wondering whether some of the moss died over there because of the amount of weeds that was in that area. Because look, even there at the tank, the septic tanks, how it's coming in so nicely. And over here, like in 1 week, it's double the size. And even here was very scrawny. I just hope that it doesn't die underneath where I put the soil. So next week, I'd like to move the ones that I have there over to here somewhere. What I may do is remove some of the stuff that's going to be in the garden and put it in areas that we're going to need, because over here we don't need it. I'd like to put the edging up next week as well, And I'm going to move, there's a little fern over there that I want to put over there by that big boulder where I have another fern. I'm going to move it there. I'm not doing it now because it's going to be sunny all week. So I don't want to take the chance of losing it. So I trimmed that little maple over there. That's the maple that was scrunched by that rock, and they moved it, but they put it the other way. It needs to be turned around. Oh my goodness. But it's looking so pretty. I love the way that it looks there. See how it does in the spring.